My people, I don't know the one where they don't do the page. The live video that I started like 3 minutes ago, 4 minutes ago, is just going live now. Please hit the like button and share the video as you're joining. Yes, okay, Goomba, I see you. Daniel Saga, James Offo. Guys, please let me share the video. Hit the like button and share the video. It's very important. It's very important. I don't know the type of attack I'm getting on the page, but whichever way, we have our backup page and nothing will stop us. Please go and follow Ijele Speaks Remix. It's my other Facebook page. I'm waiting for it to get to 60 days. So I will start making a video with it. Deba and Abulele. That is not the name you used to answer now. Not Deba. I know the last name. Ubichika. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, my wonderful people. I salute you all. You are welcome to this morning broadcast. Please hit the like button and share the video. How many of you were here? How many of you saw this video? This photo, the photos of this guy that they are sharing. See the Academy Award. This guy award. It was a movie Academy Award, not academic award. This guy, his name is Alejandro Cooper. Alejandro Cooper, and he's an actor. I think he's from Namibia, not be. I think they wrote it there. Everything is there. In fact, when you look at the guy's forehead, powerhouse, that one, Ogonye Edika, Pius, welcome. Obi, Siobi, you could have one chance. Well done, my people. See, all these people, see the guy forehead, see the face, you go see say, nah, no be even West African. If you look at that forehead, look at this one, you know say, you go to the first son, now Ghana woman born am. So you go there easy if Nigerian blood and Ghana blood mix. If they confuse people, that phenotype will never to get am. We'll never know how it will be. So you go there easy for something to pass like that. This one say, bring you one son. Okay, what do you want to write? Also, what do you want to write? Bring you one son. Utobu. Mpama. Or bring your own son. If you want to see my children, you go pay money now. Utobu. You want to see my children, you go pay money before you see them. You think say now this you self, I no sure say you don't even born. You don't even get. When people will get children, they talk, you self one come open mouth. You self they get opinion in the case. My people, it's always lies with them. It's always lies with them. If you had argued that time, if we not see this picture, they go say, oh, yeah. Na so hate young people. Na so do. Na so una go they bring shame to Ndi Igbo. Anybody we no agree, follow na rubbish. We no fall for na nonsense. We no follow na they lie or this lie. And I go say that against the people. It is always from one line to another. Nothing from them. Anything where if you hear good morning from these people, check your watch. If you hear good morning from these people, check your watch. Umokoko. They say, yes, Charlie boy now. Old man, Charlie man. Old man will no get sense. Now their influence. Nezienu na Charlie boy will your role model. Nenu gi na Charlie boy bu your Charlie boy na agwa gigi game. Nenu no to Charlie boy de Charlie man. Neka Charlie man no the other Charlie man. Guys, please thumb up the video. Hit the tap the like button. Let's say and share the stream. Don't mind them all. Don't mind the ndoshi. No be Nnamdi Kanu pikin. If they tell us say they catch small pikin 12, 13, 14 years old, they do 419 and na from other state, hey, if you tell us say Nnamdi Kanu pikin. But when I go carry somebody pikin wey win award, no be only Igbo people dey on social media. Let's assume that una don convince all the Igbo people to dey swallow every nonsense wey una dey bring out. Do you even consider that there are other tribes that know this guy? Me, I know they watch movie again. If not, you don't. Na me be the first person wey for expose this nonsense. Na me for be the first person. I know if there's when I dey watch movie, I for don come across this movie. Na me for expose the rubbish. Umumpama. Na so una go dey disgrace Ndi Igbo everywhere. Since 2 days, they no let person rest. Oh, he beat them in Russian language, English, mathematics, whatever. I say, Kwenebe this one we see. Kwenebe this one you see. Eh? Where this news come from? Like, who asked you? You just make up one story with no consequence. Like, what is it going to change? If Nnamdi Kanu's son won every single award in the world, would he release him from DSS? Let his son win chemistry, physics, and biology award. It will still not lead to the release of Nnamdi Kanu from the DSS. He must go to trial, face the judge, explain all his broadcasts, and then go knock him. All these things now to just keep Nnamdi Kanu for news. Now they are God. Nnamdi Kanu, they are man-made God. Now then they go church or pass. They say, I will never worship man-made God. Person will say, no, go worship man-made God. Now Nnamdi Kanu being God. Now he being Savior. So whatever to make their Savior look nice, for whatever to make their Savior look special, they want you to believe that you are not up to the standard of their Savior, that their Savior has it all good. This is one Chineke that Chineke sent to send them. You block one also. Ndoshi. Now to they do social media with their fake account. Anywhere where they see anything, they go find how they go take turn am to Biafra. If not before, they go just wear them Biafra shirts now. That one don't cast. That one don't cast. Umutobu. Anu mpama. Na kohiri. Isn't that the Kanu son? He won 150 million award. He won Ndoshi. Like nothing. When I say nothing, I mean every single thing from these people na criminality. Na criminality. Just to generate noise about Nnamdi Kanu. And most people who saw those photos and that their posts will not see the truth. Oh, that's how they go carry them. Which name will give them now? Will forgive them another name? Ikechukwu from Afaruku Ibe. Ndoshi. Okoma na nyere mu mpake nke na eme. Ile enweta onwe gị. Daalụ nwanne. Just to keep him in the news, just to make sure you are talking about a Erima. He says the upcoming Biafra supreme leader. No, Nnamdi Kanu son now. Maybe they don't the program him to take over for his father because they don't say that I'm not good. Yes, now. Yes, now inheritance, now family business. They cannot give it to Emmanuel Kanu. Emmanuel Kanu to get bad record. The village land where he said, they never settle and finish. Onyoshi, you know I know you very well, Nate, but the more job. They still the village people still dey case here. Now case wey happen for Umuahia na Umunnochi magistrate court dey carry am go. Wetin concern Umunnochi magistrate with Umuahia. Na the same jurisdiction na where dem get person wey go dey do their bidding. Ndoshi. No, now as una worship him father finish, you don't go jail. The way you go buy for him there now. They want to replace am with his son. People wey say na dem give birth to the Japanese people. Not to we never see for them. Say na the Igbo Uniters na their new language. Say na dem give birth to Japanese people. See you, they look in Burundi, Japan. See you, see Japanese people. You see people where you say that. Yeah. No, look in Japan. I've told you, this their Biafra Igbo unity nonsense. It is Biafra by other means. Mazi Nnamdi said that war is politics by other means. This their Igbo unity nonsense they are saying, they are talking about, is Biafra by other means. Ask yourself who they quarrel with in the Igbo there where you want to go unite them with them. Which people we get problem with the Banke people? You now so Igbo, you and the Banke people get problem. So why they want to unite you with the Banke people? We not get problem in the first place. You and the Anioma people get problem. You and the Igbo people get problem. People wey no get work, wey no get job, useless set of people go come tell you, oh, we are uniting. Of course, donation go follow. We are united. If indeed Igbo get problem with those people, or there is anything like unity project, is it not at the House of Reps level? They go start them. Una go form caucus for House of Reps and the Senate. Anything we una want to talk, una go dey talk with one voice. No be jobless people, political jobbers go come dey use one format dey confuse people. Ndoshi. Now they say about these Biafra people. Not to will no go see somebody picking. Nnamdi Kanu son. And they never delete. More I go report all those posts as fake and give the name of the real name of the boy. More I go fact check all those posts for every page you wanna see. Any page you post and go there. Go mark am say na wrong this thing and explain to them that it's Alejandro. MNK also say these people are disgracing us. No, not themselves, they disgrace. Not themselves, now why we need to rob them their shame in public? If not, everybody go think say all of us be mumu. As another my brother, I greet you. If you don't speak up, if you don't rise up and speak against this thing, they will be robbing you this their shit. Don't yoke yourself with these people. Umutobo. Ndoshi. Una get work now, una go they carry somebody. Like, you go ask yourself, this kind of life where they just they form, waiting they use again. No be say, then they gain anything. No be say, then they gain anything. Like, how the thing take benefit in the Igbo and say this one and Nnamdi Kanu. But Nnamdi Kanu get problem, una say Igbo problem. Like as una carry that lie go, you don't give on a presidency. Umutobo. You don't finally give on a presidency. Ndara na akoheri. Kebe shichitandara. Disgracing, embarrassing the Igbo left, right, and center. Just embarrassing the Igbo left, right, and center. Everywhere is one insult they will bring on us. Jubri a Sudan. Umutobo. Jubri a Sudan. See people, so better thing the hungry Nnamdi Kanu. How such evil man wey kpai people children go get successful son? E no go happen. E no go happen. And ask yourself, if Nnamdi Kanu son, why you no dey ask why you know dey inside bush they fight? Where they say they are not Igbo, they are Biafra. Umu Biafra dị ndị oshi. He said you cannot have a son that, no, I will never have a son like Nnamdi Kanu. I know the craze. Have you seen my sons? Have you seen my sons? Like me, they no born Nnamdi Kanu way to born children will be like my own now. They no born away. None of his children resemble any of my kids. They like, why would my kids resemble him? Utobo. Why would my kids resemble him? It is he here said that they use blood money, they train my kids. I know her. Cheer. Somebody from a cursed family, where in papa and in brother gather give their mates belly, the girl they related to them by blood. Now the kind family, fear for me. Abi, you never hear that one? Eh? You never hear that one? You know, here say their mates, their relation, blood relation, will come do maid for them. Get belly, they don't know whether my father or been an Emmanuel Kanu give them. But if I don't want, they say Emmanuel Kanu. The Pikin day now she born. I know one call they mention the Pikin name again. The last time we mentioned, they say I beg for the sake of that child. If not, I go mention the name of the girl where they give Bella and the Pikin. Now boy he born. Useless set of people. Yeah, you can never, your son can never. Why will my son be like, am I that miserable? Am I that miserable? Also, yes, I the born fool. Ewu. I didn't say son. In my own, I say sons. I be make account they use my children, they brag for you again. Now twin boys, in case this one never paying you enough. Now twins. Okay? From 3 years, now double black belt. The other one they collect. His brother, if you don't collect double black, you go collect one black, one brown. Brain now open. All my children. She said, make Nnamdi Kanu publish in children result. Make I publish my children result. Publish in children result from their school. Make I publish my children result. Go see where people they build. Go see Chinese kids. Now they celebrate somebody win award for. Go see, none of my children will know Sabi matter except for Gabriel. This one where the answer bana Igbo body negidie ocho. Igbo one negitu bantaya. Anumpama. I feel like grabbing you right now and teach you some lessons. Oh yeah, na. Then you grab. Be a grab, Roman. Grab. We're on wishful thinking. No only wish you're not going to wish, you know. I wish we will catch this Ijele. The day we will catch this. Akuishima kunu dead. Akuishima omadi chishima kunu dead. Ishi siti bicycle ma kunu dead. Unewehikia. Unewehikia. Man, let me even block the also. Okoko. Me block Utobo. Anumpam. Hey, Nnamdi Kanu. Now, Koheri, I received one intel. Let me see what I've got here. Omocho. Please, let's get to the second topic. He said that the Kanu so good to produce drones and missiles for we Biafra that we will use to attack you if they refuse to. Aicheheche Umuiti Ndara Anabi ladies Nnamdi Kanu. Let me go to what the president said. Let's get to what the president said in his New Year speech, his Independence Day speech. Bingo collect better stray bullets for Yan now. Make a plan for you. At least let all these politicians from Igbo land use this one. The president's speech should tell you where this case is going. And let me spell it out for you in case you motherfuckers are unaware. What the president is telling you is no amount of benebe. If Rakunebe, from now till 3025. No amount of benebe will lead to the release of Nnamdi Kanu. If you cry from now till next century, irege mmadụ na-amagodu jijiji, mmadụ na-amakwakwa, mmadụ na-akpọtị, mmadụ na-akpọnwụ, mmadụ na-eleka. He is going nowhere. In case you don't understand the speech from the president, he mentioned Boko Haram in the northeast, then he mentioned ESL in the southeast. And some of honor, where they share this nonsense, Christians, they are buying Christians in Nigeria. Boko Haram, the number one buyer of Christian for Nigeria is not Boko Haram. It is IPOB ESN. I will do a program on it on TikTok. Once we finish this program, we are going live on TikTok. The number one threat to Christians, number one terrorist organization that is spying Christian in Nigeria is ESL. How many of these people buying in the southeast are not Christians? Out of 6,000 something in Osu, Ihitukwa, how many are Muslims? All those pits they are filling in Okigwe, in Osumogu, in Osu Ihitukwa, in Lilu, in Iseke, in Asia, in Mbose, Iyala, Umuaka, Orodo. All those people they are buying, are they Christians or not? How many Christians are they buying in the north? Boko Haram, if they go and wipe out a village in Katsina, if you go to Katsina, Katsina is 99.9% Muslim. Borno State is more than 82% Muslim. Sokoto is more than 98% Muslim. So by extension, most people they are buying there are Muslims. In fact, Boko Haram has killed more Muslims than Christians. When they are bombing mosques, who are the people buying in the mosque? Yes. When they are bombing mosques, who are the people they are buying in the mosque? Then, how many of them have they bought in Imo State alone? Now, what's the religious affiliations of all the people they buy in Imo State? You see, they are Christians. IPOB ESN is the number one threat to Christians and these religious leaders that are keeping quiet. Look at also Catholic Church, grass don't full them, and not even the Catholic bishop in Imo State, Archbishop in Imo State, is saying anything. Many parishes gone. Ndị Anglican, they buy their canon merenu. Did they say anything? Did they buy Chika Akunyili? They not buy priests join. Anybody say anything? Umutobu. Are you understanding it? So let's listen to what the president said in his New Year's speech about IPOB BSN. You know, they will remember to tell you, one governor told you, it is not IPOB that is doing this. Okay, now when president don't talk you, nko. Now when you don't talk you, nko.
We are working diligently to enhance national security, ensuring our economic experiences improved growth and performance. The officers and men of our armed forces and other security agencies are working tirelessly and making significant sacrifices to keep us safe. They are winning the war against terrorism, banditry, and other violent crimes. We see their victories in their blood and sweat to stamp out Boko Haram terror in the northeast, IPOB ESN terror in southeast, and banditry and kidnapping. We must continue to celebrate their gallantry and salute their courage on behalf of a grateful nation. Peace has returned to 100 of our liberated communities in the northwest and northeast, and thousands of our people have returned safely to their homes.
And somebody is telling you that Nnamdi Kanu's case is against him, what they are doing to him is against Igbo. So you are calling all of us terrorists now. You are calling all of us terrorists. The same people Nnamdi Kanu said they will use our own people's issue to bury Ikonso. 2000, and when the issue mother were there. Make a reminder now. Make a reminder now.
We'll bury him with 2,000 heads. Ijele goes so 2,000 heads. What I'm believing is only 100. We'll bury him with 2,000 heads. He goes so. If you don't know, now you know. We'll bury him with 2,000 heads. Ijele goes so 2,000 heads. What I'm believing is only 100. We'll bury him with 2,000 heads. He goes so. If you don't know, now you know.
Are you seeing it? Onami said they got 20, not 30 heads. He said they got 20 already out of the 2,000. And you hear when they told you that they were kidnapping children, girls, virgins, people's children to bury Ikonso. Meanwhile, the money they contributed to Ikonso for Ikonso Nnamdi Kanu ate it. See evidence, oh. See evidence, oh. The government has nothing against him. Who told you? Onyami statement today. Onyami statement today. With all these things. When he talk. And you think say the president never hear this thing. Guys, should we write our own petition again? Should we write our petition again and go submit them? Then we'll give them, tell the president, say all these House of Reps members, make them even begin the mush. Let the House start sanctioning them. Natasha lost her seat for 6 months for something less. Yeah. The president owns that National Assembly because now in party get the biggest share. Yes. Yes, we need to do it. We need to do it. Of course, President Tinubu called them IPOB ESN. Hear it again now. Hear it again.
We are working diligently to enhance national security, ensuring our economic experiences improved growth and performance. The officers and men of our armed forces and other security agencies are working tirelessly and making significant sacrifices to keep us safe. They are winning the war against terrorism, banditry, and other violent crimes. We see their victories in their blood and sweat to stamp out Boko Haram terror in the northeast, IPOB ESN terror in southeast, and banditry and kidnapping. We must continue to celebrate their gallantry and salute their courage on behalf of a grateful nation. Peace has returned to 100 of our liberated communities in the northwest and northeast, and thousands of our people have returned safely to their homes.
My people, somebody made a suggestion. He said we will have to make a publication, newspaper publication, and distancing Igbo from this. And I think we need to go further than that. We need to call a press conference, then invite many media outfits if they will come. Of course, many of them will not come, but I can pull some strings. Yes, I can pull some strings. We are those that we will invite. Then we will place the advert on newspaper. Okay? Let me block this also. We will go on, we will use a newspaper. But newspaper, it costs money. Oh. Have you published anything on newspaper before? So that one costs money. Okay, whatever it is, I will contribute. Okay, I would make some arrangements. I will make some arrangements, then get people, see how many news outlets we will invite to come cover it. Then we'll pick one magazine. Maybe we'll use the Nation newspaper. Maybe we'll use the Nation newspaper. And those of you from also Lilu, Iseke, get any of your people that is in Abuja, let them get in touch with us, because we need them to be present there too. They can also reach their own statements and tell people what's happening in their own communities. Then they will bring photos of people that they've spied. They will bring photos of people they've spied. All those things, will put it in front of the media. They will cover it. I myself, I will be covering it live too on Facebook. I'll be covering it live on Facebook. Then the other media people will be covering it also. Then we'll make our statements, go publish it. Let people know that Igbo, we are not in support of this thing. It is the politicians. It is the politicians. You want us to fight back? This is how we fight back. Okay? Okay? We will have to fight back. This is how to fight back. We need to make a statement. And somebody said reach out to Cash. Some also people see. Some people don't like what ESN criminals are doing in your place, but they can't bring themselves to blame Nnamdi Kanu for it. You see why I don't like saying we use this organization? No. Everything we check all the things we did. No, we didn't invite any outside force to help us do it. Okay? Are you understanding me? So we will do this our own way. All the time we were going to National Assembly, we didn't call any outside person. Okay? We block one also. Umuokoko, keep coming here to cry, yo. Keep coming here to cry. We will do that. I will give you people updates in the evening or tomorrow morning. I'll give you people updates or in the evening or tomorrow morning. Either of them. We will know how to do it. Then, the president's speech has shown that the president is not negotiating anything with anybody. So all of them that are saying, even if they can't release him, they will not leave him. They whine on herself. You see, on a reverse psychology, it will not work. So my guys, what topic do you people want us to discuss on TikTok? Because I'm wrapping this one up. We are going to TikTok now. What topic do you want us to discuss over there on TikTok? Which one do you want? What topic are we going to discuss? Which one did I say before? We can do it. Okay, the other one we can do it, my brother. Let me try and consult one or two people. Then I'll consult one of my lawyers. We need to use an attorney to do it. I know if you by Saga, the man pass this one, no be this one not waiting and feel use warrior. We will use some of our lawyers we can get our hands on here in Abuja. Okay? Iseke people are holding on to Biafra with one hand and Nigeria. Yes, so so my people, thank you so much. I love you all. You join me on TikTok before the next 5 minutes. I'll be live on TikTok. Stay blessed. I love you.